Hi, and welcome to my course. I am Shahgoz, and this is a working skeleton section part 1 of Angular and ASP.NET Core complete web application. So, in this video, we will discuss about working skeleton of our project. And what is a working skeleton? Well, a working skeleton is a tiny implementation of a system that performs a small end-to-end function. It need not use the fine architecture, but it should link together the main architectural components, and then the architecture and the functionality can evolve in parallel. Now our application going to be made up of several parts. We are using a database, we are using an object relational map. We are using an API, and then we are using a JavaScript framework Angular for our user interface, and we want all of these components of our architecture to be working, and we want to prove that they are working before we then go on and build out the functionality of this application. So our application architecture is going to contain a database where the table with a couple of values in that we learn one of display only HTML or page look can be viewed by the client, and in between the database and the client is going to be object relational mapping. Entity Framework allows a API to send queries to this database, and then we are going to fetch these values via API from our SPA singular application. And our goal of this particular section is to ensure that all of these pieces can work together and we can display this value on the client at the end. So how we are going to achieve this? We are going to do this in this section by first of all creating the web API product. But review the files are created by the .NET CLI and all we are going to be using to create our web API. Then we are going to ensure our way the API actually runs successfully. Create our database, and to do this we will use the code first approach and model first approach as it's sometimes called. Then we are going to use source control to check in all of our changes. We will create the Angular application. Then configure our Angular application to fetch data from our API. And then we are going to bind the data we get back from the API to the HTML so that we can let display on the page. And during this, but also going to add support for Bootstrap and Font Awesome so that we can make our styling of our application significantly easier than starting from scratch with CSS. So as with any model, in this course will occur before and after so we can see what we're actually working towards now. In this particular section, it's not going to blow your socks off. It's our goal for less is purely to display data on a page from the database. So we will take a look at the before and after anyway. So this is before you absolutely nothing, just an empty command prompt window. And this is where we are starting. And by the end of this section, this is where we are going to cut. And I appreciate this does not look like very much, but these values that appear on the page, these are being displayed from our API through our database, and this is what we are going to get, so we can confirm that our SPA singular application can talk to our API which can talk to our database, and then we can return this and display it on the page. Okay, so now we have seen what we are going to look at. Let's get started. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you again my upcoming next video.